What it do, YouTube? It's your boy heavycrypto back again with a video. And guys, in this video, just going to talk about Valr and Luno Crypto Exchange, and I'm going to talk about my strategies that I use to trade on Valr and Luno Crypto Exchange to make some profits and stuff like that. So make sure you watch the whole video to the very end without skipping and stuff like that, so that you won't miss out anything. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so if you don't know what Valr Crypto Exchange or Luno Crypto Exchange, like these are big two crypto exchanges that we use here in South Africa to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. But the question is, how exactly do you make money in crypto? Because it's not like you're gambling and stuff like that. This is strictly trading, you know what I mean? So we're not gambling here because we know where the price is going to go in the future. And for example, let's say the price of Bitcoin currently is being traded at 100 Rand. And then you know exactly that, maybe after 2 hours from now, the price of Bitcoin is going to go to 150 Rand. So it's better I buy it now so that I can sell it later at 150 Rand. So that's called spot trading. And this is exactly what I want to talk about in this video. And I'm going to show you my indicators and tools that I use to find opportunities and better entries. And of course, to know when exactly I should buy and when exactly I should sell. So guys, on this channel, I made a lot of videos talking about Luno and Valr and stuff like that, how exactly you can use these platforms. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below as well. I don't wanna go through and start telling you how exactly you can use this because I already made a lot of videos about this. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description below as well. But in this video, I just wanna tell you my strategies that I use, to know when exactly I should buy, so that when the price goes up, I should sell at higher price and make profit, because Bitcoin is very volatile, guys. Let's take a look at Bitcoin chart by clicking where student trade and click spot trading. We're not trading futures trading. Futures trading is like derivative trading, so it's a whole another topic, and we're gonna make a video about that on this channel. So make sure to subscribe and leave a like button if you agree with him. But right now I want to talk about how exactly we are going to make profits trading on Valr Crypto Exchange or Luno Crypto Exchange. So we're gonna be focusing on spot trading. So I'm going to go ahead and click where student spot trading right here. You can either choose a pair right here, or you can just click spot trading and it's going to take you to spot trading dashboard. You know what I mean? Very, very, very simple stuff. So let's take a look at BTC to USDT, because I want to show you why do we take advantage of these volatilities and how exactly we make profits. You know what I mean? So currently looking at Bitcoin chart, this is Bitcoin to USDT. It's like Bitcoin to USDT. There's also a pair called BTC to ZAR, Bitcoin to South African Rand and stuff like that. So we're looking at 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look at a daily time frame. So each candle right here represents 1 day, right? So as you can see, Bitcoin is very volatile. For example, right here, Bitcoin was being traded at 77,193. I'm checking out the price right here, right here. And right here, you can see that it went all the way up to 110,694 USD. So you can see that you buy right here and then you wait, you hold it until the price go up and then you sell it at higher price. Or maybe we should take a look at this price in South African Rand so that you guys can understand, because I know most of my subscribers are from South Africa, right? I'm in SA as I'm talking. So let's take a look at BTC to South African Rand right here, currently being traded at 1.9 million Rand. So that's how far we have gone. So taking a look at the price of BTC to South African Rand, you can see that right here, this is the lowest, and it happened in April. And you can also see that from April till May, it has been going up, and right now it's just consolidating. I don't want to draw the trend lines and stuff like that, but we're going to talk about all that good stuff at the end of this year, because that's where exactly we're going to know when exactly we should be buying and when exactly we should be selling and stuff like that. So I just want you to understand that we take advantage of this volatility by buying low when the prices are low. Like right here, you buy at 101.5 million, and right here you sell at 2 million or 1.9 million, and you take advantage of this volatility. All right. So how exactly do we know when exactly you have to be buying and when exactly you have to be selling? And for those who don't know how to buy and sell and stuff like that and use Valr Crypto Exchange, I said I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can know how exactly you can buy and sell But in this video, I want to show you how exactly you're going to know when it's time to be buying and when it's time to be selling using the tools that I use and my strategies and stuff like that. So I use something called a TradingView, or a platform called TradingView, and TradingView is a platform that you can do technical analysis and stuff like that, and you can get the signals. You can be able to predict when the market is going to go in the future. So we're just gonna jump right into TradingView, and then I show you my tools and everything. All right. So right now we're on TradingView, as you can see, and you have got Bitcoin chart right here, BTC to USDT. So you can see the chart is very volatile and stuff like that, and the same as the one we saw on Valr Crypto Exchange. All right. So just by looking at this chart, there's really nothing, going on, and you cannot really tell what the market is going to do in the future. There's no information. There's not enough information, right? I mean, that's why a lot of people come up with trend lines and draw things and stuff like that. But I cannot really tell where the market is going to go in the future by simply drawing these trend lines. Like, there we can see that a breakout is coming right here, so we should expect a breakout to happen, and the market is gonna go to the moon. You can't really tell what's gonna happen in the future. That's why I use my personal tools and indicators, and these are called heavycrypto indicators. So I'm just gonna apply one of the indicators right here, and then we're gonna see what the signals are saying and stuff like that, and then we're gonna go to Valr and then do some trades. You know what I mean? So let's take a look at some of the personal indicators right here. We have got Heavy Momentum, Heavy Crypto Pro, and Heavy Crypto Private. Let's take a look at Heavy Crypto Private right here. So let's apply Heavy Crypto Private indicator. As you can see, right now is on and is active. So this indicator tells me when exactly I should be buying and when exactly I should be selling. As you can see, when the price is going up or there is an uptrend, the candlesticks turn green. You can see. And when the price is going down, for example, right here, it's going down, the candlesticks turn red. You know what I mean? Or let's take out the high candle, so the guys just going to remain with the original candlesticks like this, so that it's going to make sense to you. All right? Now it's clean. So as you can see, we have got basic candlesticks, and when the price is going down, the candlesticks turn red. You know what I mean? And when the price is going up, or when the price is about to go up, the candlesticks turn green. Plus, you also get these buy and sell signals. When the price is about to go up, you get this buy signal telling you that, hey, it's time to buy. You know what I mean? So meaning that you have to go to Valr Crypto Exchange, right? Valr Crypto Exchange, and place an order or buy. You know what I mean? Buy some BTC. And when the price is about to go down, or when you have got a bearish trend, you get these sell signals. Like, for example, right here, you can see that you got a sell signal and then the price went down. You know what I mean? So these tools pretty much help you when exactly you have to be buying and when exactly you have to be selling. You know what I mean? So now that you understand the importance of this tool and how exactly you can use them on different pairs and stuff like that, let's talk about something advanced, which is Heavy Crypto Momentum Based Indicator. And I'm just summarizing these tools. I made a whole full video talking about these tools and how exactly you can use them and stuff like that. But there's also a line right here, and this line in the middle right here, you can see that it acts like a support and a resistance. You know what I mean? When you have got an uptrend, this line right here turn green and it's gonna act like a support. You know what I mean? When the price is going up and the candlesticks turn green, you can see that the price finds support on this line, right here, boom, going up, find support right here, boom, going up, find support right here, boom. Once the candlestick break out this line right here, the candlestick become red, and then you get a sell signal and stuff like that. And I mean, it's very, very simple. And when the price is just consolidating, meaning that it's not going anywhere, it's not going up or down, the candlestick turn yellow right here. So you have got the green ones, the red ones, and the yellow ones. You know what I mean? When the price is just consolidating, the candlestick turn yellow. And when the price starts going up, the candlestick turn green, and the price trade, and the price move above the line right here, and you also get a buy signal. So all these three confirmation is going to give you a strong signal telling you whether it's either it's time to buy or it's time to sell. You know what I mean? So let's talk about Heavy Crypto Momentum Based Indicator, and I use these indicators on futures trading or derivatives trading. I showed you on Valr Crypto Exchange. Now that a lot of people are trading futures trading on Valr Crypto Exchange, right here, you can see and it's really advanced and stuff like that. So as you can see, this indicator has got two mountains, the upper mountain and the downward mountain, and you have got these green and red signals, right? For example, let me give you an example right here. When you get a green signal like this, you know, this is buy signal, the price move up. You can take a look at this, where the signal is and where the price started going up. Consider the price started going up on this candle, and after getting this signal, the price went up all the way up to right here. And exactly right here, you get this sell signal, which is the red dot, and the price started going down all the way down to right here. And you got another green signal right here, the price started going up, and right now you got the red signal right here. Exactly on this candle, the price went down, and then right now it's coming up. But if you zoom out right here, you can see that the view up is pointing to the upward, and you might get another buy signal right here. So there's also something called money flow, how much money is entering into the market, how much money is coming out, and stuff like that. So this cloud right here, this red cloud right here, represents this is money flow and how much money is entering. When you see the red cloud, it means that the money is coming out of the market. For example, I'll give you this example right here. From this point, you can see that the cloud turned red right here, all the way right here. All right, let's put another one right here, all the way right here. So this was a downtrend, right? And the cloud was red. And when the cloud turned green, you can see that the market started going up from right here. See, the cloud turned green, the market started going up to right here. See, so the cloud simply tell you whether the money is coming in or the market is coming out. When the money is coming in, obviously the market go up, and when the money is coming out, obviously the market go down. So I made a full blown up video on these indicators as well, talking about all these tools and stuff like that. There's a lot of information. Make sure you check out on this channel. I'm going to leave a link in the description below about heavy crypto momentum based indicator. But I just wanted to show you how exactly you can get your buying and selling signals using heavy crypto tools and stuff like that, and trading on spot trading, you know what I mean? So if you want to dive into futures trading, then you're going to need to know this tool right here, which is momentum based indicator. And this tool is going to tell you when exactly you have to enter a position and close the position and stuff like that, and all that good stuff, and all the information, you're going to find them on this tool right here. So this is my name is Arthur, guys, and if you want these tools, you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online, and this is where exactly you can find these tools right here. And of course, you can also check out all these courses right here. There's Web 3 Masterclass Crypto for Beginners and Smart Contract Development course right here. You know what I mean? And of course, you can also book me for one-on-one mentorship right here. I'm going to mentor for 1 week, one blown up week, and you're going to know pretty much anything about crypto, from arbitrage all the way to the moon. You know what I mean? And of course, here's the heavy crypto indicator, and you get all the three tools right here. You can also see the price right here. Very, very good indicator, and still on discount right here. And of course, these are arbitrage tools. I made a lot of videos about arbitrage on the channel. So the link to heavycryptouniversity.online is also going to be in the description below as well. Make sure you check it out, and let's get this crypto, Valr and Luno trading crypto to the moon, you know what I mean? So this is my name is Arthur, guys. All the social media platforms going to be in the description below. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys.